retiling this floor. I'm going to be taking up all these tiles, porcelain tiles, battle out my loose, damage, rip them all up, clean it all up, and I'm going to retile it all. Some new tiles going in here. Very similar tiles. Again, porcelain tiles. Going down the floor. I'm going to show you step by step how we do it. If you're not already following, click follow, click subscribe, drop us a comment. Guys, we've got all the floor up now. Just show you where we're up to. Got it all nice, ready to tile. Got the skirting boards off. All the way around, found the centre of the floor. Checked all our cuts all the way around, make sure that we're not going to have any small cuts anywhere. We've got a nice straight line, so we've marked that up now. And then we're just going to bond all the floor with some tile primer. I'm going to give it 2 coats of that, and then we're going to get some dinner, and we're going to come back and start tiling. Well, here's the finished job, guys. Let us know in the comments what you think. If you're not already, subscribe, give the video a like. Cheers.